This robot just made you breakfast. And this one, it's learning to walk, talk, and even work. The age of humanoid robots is officially here. But here's the real question. Are they coming to help us or replace us? Figure AI recently made headlines with a working prototype of its humanoid robot that can hold basic conversations, follow instructions, and perform real-world tasks in warehouses. Unlike clunky machines of the past, this thing is learning fast, with a full-body language model guiding its brain. Then there's Tesla's Optimus, a robot that started as a meme, but now it's quietly learning to fold laundry and do your chores. Elon Musk says this robot will one day be more valuable than Tesla's car business. But is this incredible future safe? What happens when these robots become cheap, fast, and better than humans at most jobs? We're staring at the potential for mass job displacement. In industries like retail, warehouses, security, and even caregiving, robots are being designed to replace human labor, but that's only one side of the story. The companies behind this tech are also investing in safety, ethics, and control systems. Figure AI uses reinforcement learning with human feedback to avoid harmful behavior. Tesla's Optimus isn't even autonomous yet. It's still heavily supervised. And for people with disabilities, or the elderly living alone, humanoid robots could be life-changing. Not just labor-saving, but life-saving. So, where do we go from here? We need regulation, we need transparency, and we need honest conversations. Because these robots aren't just tools. They're shaping the next generation of society. And if we're not careful, they'll be shaping it without us. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's now. And the decisions we make today will decide whether this future is dystopian or deeply human. Subscribe for more grounded AI stories. Hit the bell and stay ahead of the next shift in human history.